Well, hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I was thinking that it was a good day to break out one of my favorite Happy Planner collections, which is the Planner Babe collection. And funny story, a little ironic here. I actually got this book like right before the whole pandemic thing. It is so difficult to get new releases in my area, and I finally got my hands on this sticker book like maybe a week before all of our lives changed. And so I never really got to use it because, it's for, making appointments and, tracking out like what you got to do in your task. And well, we ended up not having any task. And I do use the Planner Babe classic size planner for my wellness planner. And, I just thought, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and use it. I'm just going to use it for this week and we're going to see what we can come up with. And I love these little happy, I guess they're like little quotes or sayings. I love them. They're bright and colorful and they do match the coloring of the inside of my pages or the spine. And now I'm just trying to figure out how to use these to where I can, have them going across the page. And it's a little bit more trickier than what you would think. So we're going to give it our best go here. And the other thing that, I started thinking about when I was making this layout is how perfect is it to use the Planner Babe collection on the week of which the Happy Planner has, I guess, sent out or announced that they are recruiting their new squad for the 2020-21 year. So, things are just, all lining up. And yeah, so I'm like, okay, so still trying to get these words to go here. And you are going to notice one thing here. I did not notice it when I was laying them out. I have Brave down twice. And at first, I'm going to admit, it bothered me. It did. So I tried to find another saying that I could put on here. And I believe, okay, so I found radiate positivity and I was like, okay, I could just use the word positivity because I'm trying to pick the quotes that planning means like what. Oh boy, I'm trying to say this. It's like all tongue-tied. I'm trying to pick quotes that describe what planning means to me. So, planning brings out positivity. It makes me feel awesome. It looks awesome. I love the fact that we share with the planner community because beautiful minds inspire others. I love that. I love that you design a life that you love. And, so yeah, things like that. That's what I'm trying to pick out. And I was going to go to those washi stickers right there. And I thought to myself, like, you know what? I'm just gonna keep going with these quotes. I'm loving how this is looking. And I just decided to start with the color that I didn't use already. So I'm going to start with this dark green. And okay, so I can use to choose joy. And hey, everybody, there's Bert. Bert is ready to plan. Actually, there's a bird outside our window and he really wants me to take care of it. I like to think that he wants to plan. Okay, so deciding that I'm like, okay, so radiate, I can use that because, planning makes you radiate so many good things. It makes you radiate joy and gratitude and positivity and kindness. So I'm like, okay, so I can use that. And here we go. This is when I realize it down here. I now have positivity down twice in the same thing. So I'm like, okay, so I'm just going to spread this across the top of the page. And I think I'm just going to go back to what I had because you know what? I don't care if it says brave twice because, we're going to be brave. I liked how it looked the first way, and I should learn from this. Go with what you do first. It's normally the right thing. Stop second guessing yourself. And okay, so yeah, now I'm finding this one because I do love this. This is enjoy every moment, which planning has made me realize that, you know what, even if it doesn't look like it's a good moment at the time, it normally is. You can laugh about it and find humor in it. So yeah, so I'm just going to put that there and I'm just going to spread some of that around. I want this to be over just a bit more. And there we go, guys. So I think that is a good lining and a good border for what this page is going to mean to me. And these are also the Planning Babe journaling stickers. Again, like there was a journaling sticker craze that was going on. Like everybody had to have the journaling stickers, and they made them in all different types of designs and collections. And then the journaling stickers just kind of went away. It's like everybody forgot about them. So I'm going to bring them back, okay? And definitely with this being my wellness planner layout, these are actually like really awesome because they help me decorate my page, but yet they give me a place to write. So I'm just going to quick flip through them, try to pick the ones that best suit the needs of my wellness planner. And I'm thinking this one right here. This is great because it's an empty checklist. And I'm going to use this to track all the things I was grateful for this week. So I'm just going to lay that one right there. And okay, I do want to decorate with these. I mean, these stickers are absolutely gorgeous. But again, if they're not a journaling sticker, it's going to take up a lot of my writing room. So I think I'm just going to slap on some washi here, which this is from the Brights collection. But it does work because it has that rainbowy color scheme to it. So we're just going to go ahead and line that up. We're going to spread more color around because to me, the brighter it is in my wellness planner, the better. So, okay, I'm thinking if I do this across the bottom, it's going to be like too much rainbow, which if there ever was a thing. So I'm just going to use this confetti. Can't go wrong with the confetti. So, all right, so let's spread this a little happy confetti around down here. And okay, there we go. Now, I want to keep that top row for reflections. And I know I'm going to break it up somehow. I'm just not quite sure how. And then I saw this and I was like, oh my God, this is perfect. Because, it's focusing on the good. Which, again, my gratitude's going to be in there. But I just can't line it up with that rainbow. It just doesn't look right to me. So let's flip through and see what we could find. And I mean, oh my God, guys, there are so many gorgeous stickers in here. And like I said, like I was so ready to use this. So ready. And then there was like no plans. I mean, there were plans. It was mainly like sanitize the house, stock up on groceries, make sure you have survival items. And okay, I do know that I'm going to be going to the store this week, and I don't want to track what I'm buying. I want to track like how I felt after going to the store because it's a big thing for me right now. And another thing I want to keep track of is we are going to celebrate Cinco de Mayo with some wonderful tacos and homemade Mexican food on Tuesday. So I'm going to put that in there. And okay, so again, I'm going to be going grocery shopping on Tuesday. So I think I'm going to line that up down there, and I'm going to document how I felt. I'm going to be trying a lot of recipes, so new recipes. So I'm going to put that one there. So again, I can reflect on, was it fun? Did I like it? Was there anything new and exciting about me trying that new recipe? Because again, this is my wellness planner, so this is more of reflection instead of planning. And of course, you got to have that planner's got a plan down below. And because I do a lot of my planning on the weekends, which is kind of funny now because it's not really weekends. I mean, my weekends are like 5 to 7 days. But still, the main bulk, I try to keep a normal routine. So the main bulk is Saturday and Sunday. And okay, so I do work one day. There is one day out of this week that I have to physically go to work, and that is Monday. So I'm going to go ahead and just put that there. I know it says appointment, but I'm going to change that. I know I have black arrow stickers somewhere where I can change that. And there we go. This right here, this is perfect for me. This is love this, just living my best planner life. And I'm going to document again what I'm grateful for this week in that box. And now I'm just trying to think, do I want to decorate more? And I loved this. Good things happen to those who plan. So we may not be planning like we normally do. And because, hey, things just aren't normal and that's okay. And, oh, I love these. This is how I'm going to separate my writing up here. So this is my reflection. This is my little journal. Look how adorable they are. I'm just going to toss them around. Don't care if they're straight or perfectly centered. Those are my little journals. And I'm thinking I'm going to leave a lot of this open. So this one right here. So I'm going to double block this. And I'm going to double block that shopping one down below. So I just need something down there that I can write about. Something fun that I did on Wednesday. So let's see here. Which one of these? And I think I'm going to stick with this purple. Because, I got the planner disc, so it's going to say Planner Babe. And, of course, it says don't forget, which normally would be like a checklist. But I'm going to write, one really exciting thing that I did on Wednesday. Don't forget this good moment. And this is kind of how you take your normal planner stickers and you can change them into wellness planner stickers. So you don't really need the wellness planner stickers for your wellness planner. And now with this sidebar, again, I'm just going to spread this purple around. It seems to be flowing nicely across the page. And okay, now I just need something to go underneath and look at this. This is perfect. And I actually like the one with the color on it. So I'm going to take that and I'm just going to cut the words so that I can line them up underneath, because that's really what this is, This is the theme of my layout. I am a planner babe and I am proud of it. So let's see here. I'm going to cover up these little gray lines that are left hanging over the edge. For some reason they are bothering me. So I'm just going to take some white label paper. We're just going to kind of line that up there, snip that edge off. And it just wouldn't be a Planner Babe layout without some planner disc. So we're going to take these guys and we're just going to kind of toss them around. It doesn't matter if they're hanging over the edge. We're going to take care of that. And I'm just going to kind of make it look like it's raining planner disc. Oh, they're so cute and fun. I love these things. Slap him there, trim this one off. And then, of course, any of the ones that I have remaining, I'm just going to kind of make it look like it's all pouring out there on that side of the column. And I thought, you know what? I'm just going to make it look like it's pouring out on all wedges. So, we're going to snip that one, snip this one. And again, I'm not discarding any of these. I'm going to use these and just kind of slap them around. Let's see here. I think he'll look wonderful there. Kind of got a little crooked, so I'm going to straighten it up. Oh, yeah, raining planner disc. And let's see here. What other color haven't I used? I think this light blue is gorgeous. Just going to use this one. Not quite sure where I'm going to put that one at yet. May want to try to do, I'm liking how this is looking, where it's going over both edges. So I think I want to do that on the inside as well, because I'm ending up with a bunch of these little snippets on that other side. So I'm thinking I'm going to take this bigger one here, kind of do the same thing that I did over there. So I'm going to make it look like it's going under both of those. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so that's looking good. And maybe I should try to decorate this bottom edge up here real quick. Can't get this one back off the page. Oh, planner supplies are going everywhere. Okay. Let's see here. I got snippets. Snippets are everywhere. Let's try to make it look like it's coming out of that end. Snip this off the bottom. Throw him up there. And I think I'm finally starting to run out of these little snippets. Alright, do I have any more snippets? Yes, there we go. There's one last one. And I think that's it, guys. I think, yeah, we're going to put those away. And let me pile up these. So there you go. I mean, quick and easy spread for my wellness planner layout. Looking super gorgeous. And okay, so that's my reflection. And oh my god, I almost forgot. Let's see here. What pack is that from? That's the recipe accessory book. And this fits perfectly right over. There we go. Look at that. I'm just going to write work. And now I have a spot to write there, there, there. Look at this. So much writing room. Looking super gorgeous for my wellness planner. Oh, man. All right, guys. So there you have it. That's what the completed spread looks like. I hope that you enjoyed watching the video. I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. And check out more at stitchpiration.com.